Good day, everyone, and welcome to Elite Currency Weekly Trading Ideas. This is Nenad, and I am fully now trading my newest method. It's called the Black Widow, and you can always check the performance on my FX book, guys. This is basically it. My FX book account live and checked here. 50,000 of deposit, been trading it. And hopefully, guys, this account will also grow soon. For all of you who want to have more knowledge about it, you will be able to purchase it from our website. And also have in mind that you can receive until I publish it live with the video, indicators, and everything. You can always, guys, receive signals in our Telegram channel by subscribing to our services. Okay, so basically to our services here on the website, it's called ECS Live. So subscribe to the service and get signals from the Black Widow, and you will be able to buy it soon here from the website. Now, what I expect, guys, pretty much very simple. This is very advanced semi-automated trading method. On the dollar yen today, we scored 30 pips. Market hit exactly the price, but we managed to score 30 pips with the trade management that I use. GBP dollar is now bearish, so if the market gets to 13.31.12, we will be seeing a drop. New Zealand is also bearish. Everything is aligned here. You can see how the market moves. So selling on rallies continues and possible sell around 66.30. Australian dollar New Zealand is now bullish. I was thinking to sell, but now because market is bullish, the only way, the right way is to buy. Now, this is bonus, guys, for you. If you are watching this, I'm having a long on the GBPUSD because I think that the market is going to go up. So my trade on the GBPUSD is long. My entry is there, guys. And if you want to take a look at it, this is it, guys. Quickly, the entry is here in the zone 74.85 to 95, and it could go up. EuroCAD is totally ranging. I have sets of 3 different time frame indicators here. All indicators are protected and customs, and also there is no free indicators here because when you purchase the method, it will be protected per your account. Only on your account you will be able to use it. So, guys, very easy. For example, dollar CAD bullish, so we are waiting a little bit drop off here to buy the dollar CAD. Australian dollar is bearish, so we are selling it from 71.40. Pay attention to these levels, I'm telling you now. And the GBPN is bullish now, but it is slowly turning to bearish. So when the market hits 138.85.90, we might be able to sell it. So these are quick trading ideas, guys. For full trading ideas, as I say, join the ECS Live channel. The question from Woody: Australian dollar, is it bullish? Let's check the Australian dollar quickly. And I don't have any trade. It's bearish. It's bearish. So my trade will probably be to sell from this zone if the market gets there. The thing, guy, is that the Black Widow is intraday method, so these trades are valid until the next day. So it's very important to understand the validity of this trade. I fully switched to intraday trading because it gives me the best results. And new day, there will be new levels. For today, if the market gets close to 71.40, there I would be looking to sell. So hope, guys, that you enjoy. As I say, for full trading ideas, watch and join the ECS Live and follow the ECS Live account, Black Widow. I will give you the link right away. Be sure to follow it there, guys. I hope that you will join DCS Live. Talk to you soon. Cheers and trade safe.